French people make some weird air sound when they speak, like oh là là. Alors, so how come they cannot pronounce the H sound in English? Honestly, this hospital was horrible. First, I was so hot. They didn't have a clean air. And how come a hospital doesn't have clean? Bon bah. And the X-ray, I paid $900. N'importe quoi. And the doctor had me take the painkiller that got me so high. Bref, horrible. I wasn't happy, so I smoke herb to heal, quoi.